Hi everyone, welcome into JMeter tutorial. Today in this tutorial we will learn about functions in JMeter. Functions are a great way to generate dynamic data and flexibility to your test plan. So let's begin. In this tutorial I will show you how you can use them in your JMeter scripts. So let's begin. Open JMeter at the thread group. In the thread group you can enter the number of threads, runtime periods and loop count. Inside this thread group, click on right click add sampler and then click on step request. In this, we need to enter the protocol. Protocol is HTTPS and then enter the server name or IP. By default, HTTP method get method is selected and then enter the partner. Suppose you want to perform the testing of home, contact, or services, then you need to enter the server name and then enter the path. So open Chrome browser and copy this URL and paste here. We enter HTTPS in the protocol section. For example, if you need a random number as a username during testing, you can use the random function for generating the number. For example, you want to generate the number from 1 to 10 random. So you can use the random for creating a unique data and avoiding duplication during test execution. Now, practically, I will show you how to use functions in JMeter. Let's add the listener for view the result. Right click on thread group, add listener and then click on view result tree. Let's add more listener here, add summary report and view result in table. Click on view result in table. Now, suppose we want to print the sum log. So we can use the log functions. For printing the log, we need to enter dollar curly brackets 2 times underscore log and then round brackets. In this round brackets, suppose we want to print hello world and then again round bracket and close the curly brackets. In this scenario, the hello world, this log will be printed. Let's click on start and it will ask for you to save your test plan before running it. Click on yes. Now enter the file name here with extension .jmx log and then click on save. Now first check whether this request successfully executed and here you can view hello world printed here in the summary report label hello world printed same as well in view result table label is printed hello world. Now let's generate the random number by using random functions. Dollar curly brackets 2 times underscore random and round brackets. Inside this round brackets we need to enter the number. Suppose we want to generate the number between these two numbers. So 1 and 10. Now the numbers will be generated in this range. Clear the result and here we close the brackets. So execute, click on view result tree. Here you can view the random number has been generated. By using random function, we can generate random numbers. Let's again run this test. Now 8 here printed. In the cell as well, we can view in a label 7 and 8 number random number generated. Let's now explore the sum, how we can use the sum functions in JMeter. Dollar and then curly brackets 2 times underscore integer sum. Make sure first letter is lowercase and then the second is uppercase letter. After this integer int sum, we need to enter the numbers. For example, we want to add these two numbers 1 and 3. Now, this function will add these two numbers. Clear these results and then click on start. In the view result tree, we can view the total count. Here we plus these two numbers 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Let's print the date, month and year by using time functions. Change here dollar curly brackets underscore time round bracket. Inside this round brackets, enter the date format TD, month and YY. After enter the date, month, year, enter hours, minutes and second. We need to enter the minutes in lowercase letter and second round brackets and then curly brackets. Let's clear the result and run the test. Here you can view first date, month and year, and this is the time. You can find the functions, click on tools, click on function helper dialog. By using, you can get the help about the functions, and here multiple functions are available: character and integer sum. After selecting this option, you need to click on generate. Click on generate. Now you can get the functions of the syntax. This is the function syntax. Here multiple functions are available. You can get the help from this function helper. That is for the today tutorial on function in JMeter. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SK World. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topic you like to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.